See that video on YouTube that they said I'm trying to take you from Morrison.
Jesus, I beg you, I don't have strength. I'm telling you. But did you say anything like that?
I said that I met a girl in Lagos. Her name is Sophia. So they said it's you.
Oh, okay. You said you met. These YouTube people, you can't.
The whole thing.
If they see the
my beg go so we know they take you play. Ray Emodi, come up body. We don't want to hear any story at all. We soldiers of Morrison, we go march for where you do. Better distance yourself. As I don't tell you, say make yourself they watch you or this thing. I beg. No, we know they use our so play for where Morrison day. I beg. See mommy a better Caro. This woman is so fine. Like the day I saw her, she's like, camera is not even doing justice to this woman's beauty at her age.
Yes, so no more excuse.
We'll plan it with Morrison.
Yeah, and Ray Emodi.
And Ray. They'll be fighting over you. I'll collect bribe from always your designation.
Wahala go come dey happen, you go sit down one side.
I will collect
guys.
Don't worry, I will speak to her. Oh yeah, cause
huggy. Sending you guys hugs. Kenke Wonka, 7th course. Or horror film.
It looks like.
Tokozil. I don't know if I pronounce that correctly. Tokozil. I think Mama is making everybody laugh. They can't start.
This guy. This is when he was young.
Young. Who is that?
This one.
This one. Jackie. Thank you, guys.
My country people, Sonia Uche is such a jolly fellow. Like, there's nobody that doesn't like this girl. It takes a hard time not for you not to like this girl. Guys, this is her new movie, Sonia Uche's production. So, anticipate for this run, guys. This is going to be a bomb.